Here's a quick walkthrough of our latest Insetta Boatworks 35 IFC demo boat. It's equipped with Simrad electronics, Roswell audio, and Roswell shocks under the seats. Moving forward, you have insulated macerated storage and dry storage, an additional cooler, and gray and light blue upholstery all around the boat. It's equipped with an easy anchor puller windlass, black powder-coated piping and T-top, dual 19-inch Simrads, autopilot. There's the shocks again, dual 40-gallon live wells, and twin 300-horsepower Mercuries. And here's some quick performance testing of the boat. That's running with the wind and the tide, getting 2 miles per gallon. And this is running against the wind and tide, cruising at around 43 miles an hour, getting 1.85 miles per gallon.